It's on my desk, and it's a constant reminder of my old girl, you know. She's sitting down in the museum now, but over the years, lots of people have done me the honour of reproducing Milo. She must have made a big impact on a lot of people's lives, and I guess, you know, God bless her, she's down in the museum in Birdwood now, where still plenty of Australians get to check her out, you know. That's awesome. But everything from the radio control model that I run around the backyard when I've had a few beers, that was made for me by my mates from the Bushfire Brigade down in Tasmania, to the cakes that people have sent me photos of, their kids having cakes, to the cardboard models that they push around the yards, to the little green trucks that they tie a piece of string to and pull the Nissans out of the mud puddles in the front yard. Milo has been reproduced so many ways and so many different patterns. Even Milo II's been reproduced. You know, my mate Shane down in South Australia, his dad did an awesome job of that. And I guess at the end of the day, have green paint, we'll have a go. But get a load of this one. This is the ultimate Milo recreation. I nearly bought this truck. I should have. See ya.
G'day, my name's Mark and this is my HJ47 Milo copy. I bought the truck around 12 months ago as a plan to build a Milo. When I first got the truck, it was red, had a lot of rust. For paint we just used Kill Rust Mid-Brunswick Green. Well, the front bar is just an ARB Deluxe winch bar. The main reason I got that was for the worn high mount. The rock sliders, a mate of mine did them up for me out of 5mm 3-inch tube, and the rear bar was made by my mate and myself. I haven't done the chop as yet. I've got to do a bit more planning, more materials and more time. Well, we took the original 2H engine out and we went to put the 13BT in. We had to organise a bell housing and adapter plate. We had to modify the chassis for the engine mounts, the custom radiator, the exhaust, the brakes, everything was on the opposite side of the engine bay, so it all had to get swapped around. The air intake, it's just got the Donaldson up the top, got the stainless 3-inch pipe and the silicon bends. They run through to the intercooler and back into the inlet. Well, I got a heap of 3-inch stainless steel tube, went down to my local engineering joint and got them to TIG weld it up and turned it into the exhaust like on Milo. Suspension wise, I got some Ironman 41mm foam cell shocks, the steering dampener. My mates down at Sealy Springworks, they did up some custom leaf backs for me. With the diffs, I've just put ARB air lockers front and rear in it. In your local areas in the southeast, Mount Gambier. And your favourite tracks are over in Victoria, the Portland area. Mostly got into four-wheel driving when I seen my first four-wheel drive action magazine. That was about 3 years ago. And the bug bit me, and it's just progressed from there.
I guess the important thing to remember about Milo is the lesson that Milo showed everyone here in Australia. Most of us knew it already, but you don't need a casquillion bucks to get out into the outback, you know? You just need an old truck, sticky tape your bank card to the dashboard and go and have a look at the best country on earth. Just get out there, guys. Get out there. That's what Milo did, and that's what it's all about. Good on you. You enjoy the outback. See ya.